Students, I am Dr. Shruti Jha, Assistant Professor English, Chandrapal Dutt Sena College, Pithoram. So we are dealing with communication, and you have seen what is the meaning of the word communication, how it has been derived, what are the process of communication, and now we are in my last video I have dealt with dimensions of communication, and we had seen three aspects of communication. Was downward communication, the other one was upward communication, and the third one was horizontal. Or will be dealing with another aspects of communication, diagonal communication. You can see the diagram A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Here is communicating with F, means their hierarchy is different, their department is different, but they are in communication. So the transfer of information between people who are neither in the same department nor on the same level of organizational hierarchy is called diagonal communication. That is, it refers to the interchange of masses among the managers located at different levels of hierarchy and outside the direct chain of command. For example, when the assistant marketing manager communicates with the accounts clerk directly, or vice president finance may request to furnish information, report, etc. subject direct to him instead of passing through regular and routine lengthy channels. Diagonal flow of communication short circuits the rigid chain of command. So this type of communication, we can say that when there is some urgency, when we require some urgent report or like that, or where there is a short of time, then this type of application. The system of diagonal is not used frequently like upward and downward communication, but this system facilitates to bring isolated people into the formal communication structure. All those who are isolated or who are not in regular or horizontal, not to the direction of communication of flow. Diagonal communication may be verbal or written. Verbal communication has several media like telephone, calling, or posts, etc. Diagonal communication may be verbal or written. Verbal communication have several verbal communication has several media like newspaper, magazine, bulletins, handouts. Now the another aspect of communication you can see is multidimensional communication. Now multidimensional or multidirectional communication is a communication which takes place when the environment is highly democratic. The organization, every worker can talk with his co-worker. They share their views, ideas, feelings, problem, and they also freely talk with their officers, and the officers are also easily accessible to them. It is a rare example of industrial democracy. Officers are in constant touch with the workers. They try to know their problems, ideas, and suggestions and give them due weightage. Worker works in a very light environment. They feel quite comfortable during the stay in the organizations as their pressure and importance is duly felt. Here the communication is for the worker, by the workers, and of the worker. This is the best and the most ideal type of communication. So इस प्रकार का जो कम्युनिकेशन होता है वो एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए वन ऑफ द बेस्ट माना जाता है. इट इज़ एन आइडियल वेयर सब लाइट मोड में काम करते हैं और एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं और दे डोंट फील द प्रेशर ऑफ द वर्क. सो पीपल enjoy working. So up tak you have seen what is communication, what are the process of communication, what are the dimensions of communication. Now in my next video I'll be dealing with the 7 C's of communication. Okay, thank you.